looks. Please, get looks sometime. Get looks sometime now.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
One arm move. Cheer ready. Watch out. Come behind no man. One arm move. Save your tear for me.
So who trimmed me, Sher? Huh?
I am not trim this movie.
That's the worst thing?
Yeah.
Mommy, I tell you, man, you have to give me a trim too.
Yeah, so go back.
Wait, mommy, you Sher Sher for true?
How would you then?
Really?
Have you ever seen look so decent before?
That's clean.
You ever seen my coffee
MiJulsz look clean like a whistle.
If I go up in our back, I can't carry him go in here anyway.
Let me never have it. Ask a 2 week make you take for this. For the time me ask you.
Oh, so you asked me a long time and she didn't do it?
Right, so you see trim bush up now, you get that trimming feel nice and look different.
Look well clean. Well sharp, Sher.
When you
When I go talk to me?
Straight to heels.
ice cream place, me I
Oh,
come.
ice cream, yeah, mommy, you buy me ice cream.
Remember, man, so I'm a big day today, you know.
Celebration.
Get all my
day.
results and my everybody gone through, you know, man.
Oh, you got all of yours?
All of mine.
Really?
Yeah, me just all said to you.
Oh, so where's my one lagging up
Just
there?
like 24th, innit?
The 20th of July.
You what?
That's far, you know.
Wow, we are July. That's far.
So mom's going to her favorite place. Devon House.
1-8. Jesus Christ. So you eat your stout now to where you eat your stout?
I don't want stout.
What do you want?
I want cookies and cream and what did I say? Cookies and cream and
Oh, please. With the honest, make you feel good.
look how far it is, man.
Me so see mine must be special. And hers must be special too. Very special. I went to him Devon House in Kingston the other day. Then thief me. Fair stout, please. Yes. Then thief me. You know the younger place me going to thief me? Junction at St. Elizabeth. As I know too. Are the best place ever. So when I come back I want to stay there. One petrol, not the petrol station. Next door to the petrol station. Oh no, are the best place. All for them cake and something having a so nice condition. Miss, me not lie you. Their price and their ice cream
It was $10 a night for them.
Go clean and then try the pussy in cheap.
That's where me not laugh.
You know how we buy pussy? It's a handsome man, you know.
Right. Talk truth,
Now
Sher.
we are just show me get all on me head, ball on me teeth, and drop out and all
Don't
that
ice
stuff.
cream.
Right.
And then that used to get the woman.
What?
It's just because someone love policeman Tabia. Then
All that.
Not just that. And then no looks. Please, get looks sometime.
Go ahead.
Get looks sometime now. Come big up yourself.
Uncle really pretty boy, Sharon and call me, you know.
Yeah. Talk truth, Sher. Talk truth.
Come on with it.
Tabia. Trust your mother.
You know them.
I'm used to get the man Sharon. That's old.
You know them that one will go crazy over this guy.
Talk up, Sher. Talk up.
Don't be joking, man.
Look how much time I have gone. Look how much time you hang up phone. Look how much time you fucking hang up phone. True jealousy.
Don't get me involved in your sadness. Do not get me involved in your slackness. Okay.
Go on, Sharon. Talk truth. Talk truth.
Sure.
Show off.
And you know, so why they go get a lawsuit in your body wall.
In where?
In your body wall.
You can get a what?
Lawsuit.
Last what?
Last suit, last suit.
Last suit. Oh, I heard something else. Uncle Steffi.
Oh, we were going to for that. You all the increasing of people lifestyle.
Yeah, your uncle Denton, grandfather.
How was the blood? Only in Denton, Tabia?
I don't know.
And Denton, Hope Time.
Hope time. Uncle, yeah, Uncle Hope time.
Hope Time, grandfather.
Right.
That the man there, my mother fi call him uncle.
What the hole? Tabia? Me and that have a minimum realize on the tractor, you know. Me put the hole, Tabia. You're my real family.
Yeah.
Well, look and pick
From different sides,
well, look and pick pretty compared to you. So don't give that in your own of Sher Sher family.
You're gonna leave China
Let me
then.
tell you something. I mean, I'm one of the most handsome man ever enter in a funeral family.
Tabia.
Sher Sher, wait, yeah, this is my daddy now. Sher?
No, sir, we can't hear me more.
No.
No, I'm not sorry, but two son. I tell you,
Watch it on Discovery
I'm
channel.
not talking to you, sir. I'm not
Discovery
talking,
channel
I'm not
company.
talking to you.
How you mean?
Two son. Here I go now. Me have my child, yeah?
Yeah.
I want to explode him. No, Jesus Christ, I mean, what or something?
I don't know, I didn't like it though.
You know what I'm saying?
I saw it, but I didn't like it.
Jesus God, defend your fault.
If it's sandwich, mom.
Let me tell you. Alright, don't show such a mate here. It's not how you go now. So, you and your father, if you call me and tell your father, yeah?
Yeah.
Most like you even me tell your father for you and then him come out of the house, come join, yeah?
Right.
When you go come tell me say you like me that you go come with some back liquor, come you used to liquor, yeah? Alright. So after your care liquor come now, me go say to you say, me agree with you and that and you go say, okay, you need to come back, you need to carry a bag of rice, you need to carry 2 ram goat, you need to carry few fowl, you need to carry some pork, you need to carry so and so, I'm giving you like 20 market days to come back. Yeah? Then you can come back with it. Then we're going to the traditional wedding now. And at this time you're going to throw the money on the woman now when you want to dance. So Sharon don't know the thing.
How you mean we don't know?
I saw stop in a big head, man.
Sorry, boy.
How you mean we don't know?
Sharon, did you know that we just talk about?
Alright.
Ah, you see quiet.
Well,
Have it quiet down.
No.
We talk about facts, man.
But why you don't understand?
Hey.
And you don't face facts
Hey.
that in life
Hey. It's just a
the traditional thing
Hey.
was that the people usually have to exchange
No, it's
the
too far to
man.
it. It's Sharon, it's
The
too far to
father
it. Sharon,
and
it is
the
too far to
son-in-law
it.
have to carry some cow and wool for goat.
Goat.
That's what me just say. That's what me just say. That's what me just
Before
say.
they
Then me just. I did that Sharon, son.
I
But no, it changed.
No.
Some part of it changed. First time they never usually give them money and there's something there.
Animal.
An animal. And now it's changing now
It
because
is too hard to eat. You still bring the animal and the something. And yet when you tell them married, they might dance you throw money from them same way.
you have to watch more.
Sharon, you the man who love take the feed.
Why this me watch it on History Channel and this sitting there about Africa.
I
They
tell
come on
you
TV and all of them something they come on TV all the while.
Don't values give nothing.
Because everything changed.
So me say yes, I say yes.
It changed.
It changed. You want to lick in your flipping toes. It changed.
You're flipping
It
toes.
changed. I meet that educated about people in tradition.
Alright, you see first time all up a hill say now, when all the man breed all the young girl, the man happy, the mother and father to the girl, they was send call the man, you know.
Yes.
Send call the parents, you know, and then whether the mother, especially the mother, and the mother have to come there, come talk to them. And I can tell you one instance when Ben breed Herbie and Miss Madam and Stomach send call Ansel, and Ansel have to carry Ben around there. And he have to tell him, say yes, and answer say he never know. But he see then by chimney and face base. Actually,
so what is for you chimney face base for?
because he don't love the woman and he might start preparing life to buy chimney and face base. He going out.
Essentials. Essentials, move.
I don't joke, a serious thing. You understand? Because when this man asks him if he have them something, he say, answer say, yes, he see really buy chimney and face base and top pan and all this something. But she never know what. She never know what I feel what.
But I believe him not to some because my mother did tell me one time, tell me one time, tell me say, first thing up I must have is a chimney and a bun pan. So like what I feel all day and day sin.
Chimney is a big thing for them.
Eh? Chimney? I feel like a damn chimney.
Because you're not go to piss at night.
You know who have a chimney?
Hold on. Let me get a story right now. What beer?
Yo, no boy. When me cap on earth can't play with me.
Yeah. How many $50 drinks there?
100
drink?
Yeah.
You only with that one?
Yeah. I don't eat it.
200 more, 50 more.
Thank you, Chloe.
Come on, my thief, man.
Criminal, blood clot, criminal.
Where's the buzzer? Yo, me not say no class Congi over there.
Eh?
Where's the buzzer? Me said Congi there. You want drinks? Come here, me say no slippers and want some sweet and want sweet.
Little boy, if you chat to the little bit, that me get out of here.
Uncle Pa come back me about her. Come here. Me say how we attack. After I'm gonna come back up himself, I'm gonna call me like say my friend.
I'm the girl that this with you, so I make sense.
Oh, I thought it was someone that didn't live in this property.
I'm gonna make you.
Wait, no, yeah,
We here together, so this must be something special. But you're playing a phenomenon.
my cousin is trying to fix myself.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurt you a lot, can you stay strong? You're not gonna go that shit in your vagabond. I'm in class as my woman and me and your man. Carrying her everywhere like she have a mission. Then some another.